Your city has been working hard for you, making upgrades and improvements to our infrastructure. Here are the latest projects completed through December. The intersection for Preston Ridge Trail and Bluebonnet Trail near Carpenter Park Drive was completed and opened in December. East Parker Road now has an asphalt overlay from the east city limits to US 75. That wraps up the East Asphalt Overlay 2024 project. Asphalt overlays extend the life of the roadway by an estimated 10 years. We also completed the Steeplechase Estates Water Rehabilitation Project. This project started in February 2024. Paving and water lines were replaced along Kingston Drive, Duchess Trail, Lorraine Drive, and Willow Lane. Two areas also received residential concrete pavement repairs to streets, sidewalks, and alleys. In total, our Public Works team inspected and made repairs to 34 miles of streets, 42 miles of sidewalks, and 14 miles of alleys. The city's engineering department oversaw the completion of the rehabilitation of the Collin Creek culverts beneath the proposed Collin Creek development and former mall location. Parker Road had a substantial waterline replacement project completed between Independence Parkway and Alma Drive. Intersection improvements were also completed at Parker Road and Alma Drive and Parker Road and Coit Road. The Facilities Division and Engineering completed substantial renovations to the Florence Shapiro Council Chambers. This team capped off 2024 with 7.11 miles of reconstructed sidewalk, 11 miles of concrete pavement replaced in residential and arterial corridors, 2,800 linear feet of reconstructed screening walls, 5 intersections with capacity and signal improvements. Nearly 15 miles of old cast iron water pipes were replaced with new PVC pipes. Our engineering, public works, and parks and recreation teams have been working hard all year long, maintaining and improving the city of Plano.